Hi, this is Dulatis Khan with you with another video. Basically, someone asked me that how we can have a picture as the background. If you remember, I have one YouTube video that how to add a background to your network. For example, if we see this network and we say get a background, we can see that we can have a background of the area. But this is elevation map. I mean, this is not exactly the background. You don't know the roads or anything. I mean, you just have the elevations, and you have this uh, that what are the elevation. I mean 198 meter to 2338 meter. So I mean some places are very high, some places are very low. I mean, and these are plains. I mean, these are kind of hills. So it is giving you some good idea, but technically, I mean, you don't know. I mean, if there is any road going on going from here or anything else. So having a picture in the background is I think it is good, but the problem is how and what are the pros and cons to it. Because I personally find there is a way to put a picture which is not very difficult, but putting it on the correct position is not very easy. So I just have a random picture. I take it from Google Map. It's not of this area, but I will just put it just to show you. So this is the icon to put a picture. So for example, if you are very sure that your picture is basically from exactly from this area, so you have to select that area that you are sure. I mean, and then you have to take any picture. I mean, so this is the picture that I will put. So if you see, I mean, it looks kind of good, but like if we see here, because this is not the actual area, I mean, you see there one side is going in the river as well. So this is going in the river because this is basically you can assume that these two sides are also in the river. So it basically what I want to tell you that you need to place this picture uh, on the exact coordinates. You can always, I mean, you can move this picture, you can decrease the size, you can increase the size, whatever you want to do you can do it. But the thing is that you should have, I mean, you need to place it based on your personal knowledge. I mean, you should know that okay, this area starts from exactly this. Pathloss helps you. It gives you these coordinates also, but still putting like this uh, will not be very easy because a very slight movement of cursor can make it very difficult. Yeah, but if you are very sure, I mean, you can zoom in and then you can do whatever you are trying to do. So it's not something impossible. So I hope that this video should give you some kind of idea that how we can put a picture as a background and what are the pros and cons of putting that picture. And personally, I like the idea. I mean, personally, I like the idea that we should be able to put a picture on as a background. But yes, again, I will say that I'm not. Uh, I mean, it's not something very easy. I mean, it does not mean that one should not do it. I mean, one should must try because when I have plotted it, I can see that this is looking very good. I mean, assume that this is correct. I mean, then you can see that okay, this site is where the site is near this site is near that, site is near inside a kind of a small area. I mean, this is some living area. So I mean, what I want to say is that the feature looks very good, but it's need your personal understanding of the area, and you need to optimize. And for example, you need to have all the pictures of all the areas. If you have multiple pictures, you can just add another picture in the same way. I have only one picture, so I will repeat the same picture. But if you have different pictures, you can add. If you have a one big picture of the whole country, you can add it at one time. So I hope this video should have given you a good idea of everything, and hope to see you again in my some other video. So goodbye.